Hello there, this is Cchadwicka today, and today I have a video that I'm bringing to you as the response to a viewer's comment on my video here, buying Bitcoins at Xcoins and Bidit and Paybis, 478 Bitcoins. This is ADI13, and he asks, so where can I buy XRP and how? Virtual wallet and things like that, please. Thanks. So here I have two places you can sign up to buy XRP. I've done a pretty good amount of business with each one, at least several $100s. And as you can see here, and earlier before I did the video, I added XRP to my account. And you can do that by clicking this Add Card Currency text here on the uphold.com website. And this is a list of the available coins or fiat or government funds you can put into your uphold.com account, and there are several of them, probably 40 or 50, and you just need to go to the World Wide Web and type in uphold, uphold.com. As you can see, there's quite a few different forms of currency, and there's the XRP one that I added earlier today. I have another video on purchase things at Uphold. All you need is a Visa or MasterCard with the correct security features. If you have a debit or credit card from a brick and mortar bank, then you'll be able to purchase coins and deposit it to your Uphold account. And the other one where you can buy XRP or Ripple, which I think is a good investment at this point on the 7 to 10 year run, which is what I like to look at. It helps a little bit from an investor standpoint if you think over X amount of time, you may think to yourself, well, I want it in the next month or next year, so I'm going to invest in this. There's a bigger chance it'll go up, but it's much safer and it'll work out much better for your life if you do a 7 to 10 year investment on some things and just kind of wait it out. This is a dashboard for Bidit.io. It is a Paris, France company. I can go to the text buy and click on it, and it'll come up with all the different currencies that you can purchase: Bitcoin, Ripple, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, Monero, EOS, Binance Coin, Litecoin, Stellar Lumens, Cardano, Tron, and Biota. And you can purchase them with credit, debit card, your cash vouchers, and other things. But I use the credit debit card, and I have a $1,650 limit a week on what I can purchase. The Bidit.io site does not have a wallet. When you purchase funds, you send it to an address that you have programmed into your account here, and so no money is held on Bidit.io, which is kind of one of the unique features to them. Right now, it's the destination of some Bitcoins. If I was going to buy some, and there's the address. As far as wallets go, I know that ADI 13 had mentioned something about wallets. I think the best kind of wallet you're going to be able to get is going to be a Trezor, a Ledger Nano S, or one of the other hardware wallets like KeepKey. I have a Ledger Nano S, and I think it's a good wallet. Here's two other wallets. This one is called Exodus, and has some affiliation with the company that produced Exodus, if not owner, creator. Let's see if this will open up here. I know it takes it a minute. Let me click it again and see if it opens. The Exodus and Atomic wallets are desktop wallets, so you download an exe file and install them to your desktop as an icon. The Ledger Nano S or Ledger Nano X uses the Ledger Live software that you download. And the important thing is about your internet money is you want to be able to have a a hardware key, something that says I cannot send or generate a receiving address without plugging a device into my computer that I can keep in my pocket. It's a key. Basically, any crypto coins you carry in your wallet, if you don't own the private keys, you don't own the crypto coins. That's how I like to say it. If you back up your wallet information strictly online on cloud sites or for whatever electronic means you may, that's something you're going to want to do, but you really need to write it down on a piece of paper or print it out on a piece of paper and put it in a safe. And don't try and hold all your coins without someone else, like a family member or relative, also being able to access the information that could allow you to enter your account in the event of a loss of information. So, well, I don't know. I guess my computer is just not doing very well today. But anyway, Atomic Wallet and Exodus both have XRP. They're both really neat wallets. The Atomic Wallet has a feature where you can buy coins through it through the same payment processor that Bitcoin.com uses. And Exodus is compatible with the Trezor wallet, which is kind of the same setup as Ledger Nano S and Ledger Live. So I hope I answered your questions today on buying XRP. We know you can buy it on bit8.io and uphold.com, and you can use either the Ledger Nano S, another hardware wallet, or the Exodus wallet and Atomic wallet to store your XRP. Be sure and keep your 12-word security phrase, protected and locked. If you need a program or you would like to hide your or lock your private key or your 12, 18, or 24-word security phrase, then you can do so, and I recommend putting it in a WinRAR file. And here I'll bring it up. You can download it at RAR Lab. That's RARLAB. And you can just search for WinRAR, WINRAR. But it is actually a little program that is like a little box you can put your softwares into, more than one. I don't know what that's doing. It's odd. So if you're looking through a way to encrypt your information, or maybe you want to put it on your USB flash drive, like your wallet, you provide as a portable app, it's a pretty good way to do it. It's the next best thing to your hardware wallet, like Ledger Nano S. Contrary to popular belief, the Google Auth and Authy app can be hacked. I've had it done to me before. Here these wallets have opened up again. This looks like the Exodus wallet, and I can click wallet. And I haven't put any money in here yet, so I don't have a private key or a 2418 or 24-word phrase. It holds XRP right there. It also holds several other coins, probably 50 to 60 or 100 different coins, and it's a pretty neat program. Also the Atomic wallet, and so you can buy on bit8.io or uphold.com. And go ahead and check out WinRAR, WINRAR. You can put multiple files. You can put a text file and a exe file and a config file or an HTML file inside a little container that you can password protect. It's flawless. It works really well. WinRAR has been around since the late 90s. Excellent piece of software. And the other way you can hide information or encrypt it is through a program called USB Security, and that's at Kakasoft, at KAKAsoft.com. Have a good day. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and peace out.